thank you so much for the amazing response to Navratri series this year. The day of Dashera is all about the Simulanghan, and here we are to do a real Simulanghan in one of the best places to find around this part. And we have the enabler who has made this thing particularly available for all of us. So please take a moment to thank Amita who has made this thing happen. Amita, thank you and help us understand all about yourself, what has been your journey and how things are here and why we are here in first place.
Thank you, Charu, for this amazing. Thank you, Charu, for this amazing video that you're taking. And as you know, where we are in the UAE, and especially we are in Dubai Mall. And as you see this Burj Khalifa, here, the tallest iconic building of the world. So, yeah, why we are here is with a vision and a dream as big as this Burj Khalifa to make Indian MSMEs grow in the global market. So, ABLE, as it stands for Association of Business Leaders and Entrepreneurs, we come with a vision and a mission to transit local business to the global platform. So that's the aim and objective, and we are here with delegation month on month, exploring UAE market to grow, to explore, to collaborate, and have a dream like as big as Burj Khalifa.
So where did this start for you? How did you decide that you have to be here and this is the market?
I think UAE is everywhere, Charu. It's not a new thing or it's not just a discovery, but we all know what it needed just one step to come into this country and assess the market, explore the opportunities. And during this process, we learned that there is immense scope for any businessman or any business owner to come here and explore. What it needs is just a little bit of willpower and a good business idea, and this land is yours.
Tell us more about your personal journey.
My personal journey, it's very long, but I'll cut it short. I come from corporate with HR and marketing background. Then after marriage, like any other women, you want to have your family and all of that. So I left my corporate job. I got into education sector. I had a private limited company which I of course shut during COVID. We had 32 preschools across Navi Mumbai to Kashmir. So that was my stint as an entrepreneur. And then of course during COVID I got into full time with ABLE. We started this as a Section 8A company, not for profit. This is an ecosystem or a platform, you can say, for the MSMEs back in Mumbai. So we have different verticals. We work with the manufacturers for their Z programs. We are associated with colleges for the e-cells or incubations. We are also empaneled with Bombay Stock Exchange for SME IPO. So these are few of the things that we do through ABLE. And thank you for being with us. And I know you were one of the speakers at ABLE event. So we also do a lot of knowledge-based sessions for the MSME.
Particularly trying to explore various ideas, right? However, when it comes to really looking at any foreign market, there has to be a lot of effort before anybody plans to get into that particular market. So how you are enabling companies to prepare for this market?
I always say this कि जिस मिट्टी में बीज बोना है उस मिट्टी की पहचान होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And that is what we are doing in short. When we say we bring delegations, it is to explore the market, to see what the opportunities are, to meet various bodies and chambers in the UAE. I think this all gives a lot of perspective to the entrepreneur. It helps them to assess and also helps them to know how to position themselves if they want to launch their business here. So a lot of recce is required before you take a conscious call. So this is one way of, we have a 5 days trip where we have multiple meetings with different bodies, chambers, networking events. You have been part of so many networking. Yesterday also we had an event at Central in Dubai World Trade Center. So talking to people, understanding various perspectives, I think helps them to come to a conclusion, or at least they start thinking.
Agree. What are the plans? How do you plan to build this thing further?
So, we are launching ABLE here in the UAE, and soon we will start events, meetings, a lot of things that we are doing back in Mumbai. We'll do it as per the UAE market, and whoever wants to come to the UAE, especially any business owner or entrepreneur, you will have able support in the UAE. So you can get in touch with us. You want to network with people, we will support you in that. You want to meet various bodies and chambers, we will help you to do that. You want to meet different business owners here, we will try and support you in that. So anything and everything that you're looking at, especially as a first comer to UAE, Able platform is available. And I think network is your net worth. It's a cliche, but yeah, it's a fact. And so you don't feel lost here in the UAE. You get a guided tour, a very strategic tour. You meet the right kind of people and you get the right kind of information. So soon we are launching our Able platform here. It will be a membership based organization, and I'm glad to share that Charu, you are there in the core team. So we have put Able on a very, very strong shoulders, you know. So you will enable now.
So on this amazing note, wherein we have this real Simulanghan happening, wishing all of you happy Dashera, and let's believe that you are able to take your business across the globe. And Amita is here to help you out. Thank you so much, Amita, for your time today.
Certainly wish you all a very, very happy Dashera, and on this auspicious festival, Dubai is calling you. So this is your start. See you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Charu. Wonderful.